Going on, guys, I am installing an intercooler into my FK8. You can see I took the bumper off already, so you need to take these clips off right here, all on the front. Then there are two clips here, right over here on the side. You have two Phillips screws right there, and then two more right here. And then once you get all those clips off on the top, the clips you are going to remove are the one on the front lip right here. They're just in the front, not all the way in the back, because this is a whole tray. It's connected to everything. And then there's 10mm bolt right here that you just need to remove. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So then here's the intercooler. You have two 12s there, and then on the other side. And then this bolt right here is a 10mm. So I'll be taking that out really quick. Okay, so now I'll just repeat this on that side, and then I'll be taking this out and putting in the new intercooler. Okay, so now that you have all the bolts out, this intercooler is just right here. It's seated in there, so you just need to lift this out and it'll come out, but it's kind of hard to do with one hand. I got the intercooler out now, and then there are these gaskets right here that you just pull right over here. You're gonna take it out. You're gonna be reusing those. Save those, and I'll show you guys the other intercooler, the new one. Okay, so here's the Perrin Intercooler, stock intercooler. There's the side difference right there. So yeah, now you'll be inserting seals back onto the new intercooler. You can go ahead and put this thing back in, and everything should just bolt back up. Next thing I'm going to be doing is the intercooler piping, but that's later down the line. So when you're installing this intercooler, you have to slide this in first so that it'll go in, because it's much larger. It won't fit correctly if you just try to slide it in. It's going to hit the top of the brace right here.